One historically enriched state, 100 plus bloggers and influencers from across the nation come together to discover the glorious destinations, diverse culture and lip-smacking dishes of Gujarat. Collecting thousands of stories and creating memories. The All India Influencer Meet 2021, organized by Gujarat Tourism in association with the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, held in Gandhinagar, was a perfect start to the beautiful journey of vibrant Gujarat. Mesmerized by the folk dance performances, all the influencers enjoyed to the fullest while dancing on the beats of Garba. After having a gala time at the event, the influencers and bloggers were all set to start their journey.
Hi, this is Karthik from Chennai.
Hi guys, I'm Deepjani. I have come all the way from Kolkata, from extreme east to extreme west.
I'm Nivi Selvaraj, all the way from Bangalore.
Hi, I'm Deepan. I am from Tamil Nadu.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi. I'm from Namma Bengaluru.
Namaskara, this is Shruti from Namma Karnataka.
Hi, this is Swati from Kerala.
Hi guys, I'm Tanesh from Kolkata.
The first stop was Vadnagar, the birthplace of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. It was a moment of pride for everyone when they saw the marvelous work done by Gujarat Tourism for the development of the town. Next in line were the Hatkeshwar Mahadev and Kirti Toran, alluring and intricately carved marvels of Indian history.
This place has a lot of positive vibes like Gujarat. I mean, this was a hidden gem. We were not very aware of it. I had heard about Hatkeshwar Mahadev earlier, but I was just not present to the majesticity of this before this experience.
The influencers then headed to Ran Ki Vav to witness the 11th century architecture that now stands as a symbol of beauty and legendary religious imagery.
As soon as you enter this place, you see the beautiful sunlight falling on the place, intricate carvings all along, and then you come down different steps, sit down, just enjoy the place, just feel in the vibe. It's absolutely stunning.
After exploring the historical beauty of Gujarat, it was now time to introduce our bloggers to the textile heaven of Gujarat, the Patola Weaving Center. The next stop was another UNESCO heritage site, Modhera Sun Temple.
यहाँ पे काफ़ी कुछ डिटेल में, जैसे कि आपको रामायण के भी स्टोरीज मिलेंगे, महाभारत के भी काफ़ी एपिक्स हैं यहाँ पे, और अगर आपको ये जानना है तो आपको यहाँ पे ही आना पड़ेगा. तो यू कैन जस्ट कम विजिट एंड सी हियर.
The beautiful sunset against the extraordinary architecture of this place made it a sight to behold. It was a surreal experience for all the influencers. The second day began with a visit to the Wild Ass Sanctuary. To add to this experience, bloggers also met a family of Agarvyas to know the process of salt preparation. The sanctuary surely was a hidden gem for wildlife lovers.
ગુજરાતની બાયોડાયવર્સિટી અને એમાં પણ ફ્લેટ લેન્ડ એટલે કોઈ પણ વાઇલ્ડ લાઈફ ફોટોગ્રાફરનું ડ્રીમ.
The Kutchi dance, combined with a beat of dolls, gave a warm welcome to the influencers at the tent city.
Thank you so much Gujarat Tourism for the wonderful cake.
And it was a surprise. We didn't expect it.
Absolutely. It was something which was unexpected.
Yeah, this is like one of my first birthdays away from my family, and I really felt special with this celebration. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Making our day
Gujarat.
special and obviously memorable.
After the long journey, the bloggers finally went to their lavish tents, giving them the much needed rest before the amazing journey that awaited them. This village is home to an annual 3-month festival called Ranotsav that is famous worldwide.
I'm having a fabulous time here. Right from the food to the people to the shops to the colors, everything is great here. It's a must experience.
The next morning, they started the journey towards Kalo Dungar, the highest peak of Kutch. The moment influencers reached the top of Kalo Dungar, they were taken aback by the spectacular panoramic view of Rann of Kutch.
अगर कच्छ नहीं देखा
Kutch honestly is a vibe. I've seen this in videos and in pictures, but when you're here, you know that you're here.
The next stop was Gandhinugam. Bloggers were caught by surprise when they had a look at the rearms of the earthquake that was so beautifully restored.
In this place, Gandhinugam, I had to buy something which I was really looking for. I bought a nice comforter.
With Gujarat, expectations versus reality are turning out way, way, way better than expected.
Finally, the influencers reached the most happening place of their trip, the White Rann of Kutch. Their joy knew no bounds when they looked at the salt marshes spread across the land. Adding colors to this white landscape were the chanya cholis worn by all our beautiful bloggers.
Entire sketch, like, it's such that it's very picturesque, very pretty, and it's totally white and it mixes with the sky as well to a certain point. I'm absolutely loving the experience. Cheers.
मोस्टली मेरे साथ और भी जितने भी लोग हैं गुजरात में रन ऑफ कच्छ के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थे। यहाँ मतलब लाइक इट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम।
After experiencing some serenity and moments of peace at the White Rann, it was time to explore the rural Gujarati lifestyle. The Sarpanch of Dhordo, Shri Mia Hussain, was of great help here. Bloggers were stunned to know the transformation story of this region that happened because of the initiatives taken by Gujarat Tourism. After a long trip to Rann of Kutch, bloggers relished the Kutchi fast food at Urban Kutch.
Everything from the bajra rotla to the chach to the rataluni sabzi and the shaak and all, it's just phenomenal.
The entire ambience of this cafe is very urban. So हाँ एक urban appeal Kutch वाले region में लाना, that was a big task.
The next day, influencers visited the Nirona village, where they were introduced to the world-famous art form, the Rogan art. With their cameras aside, all the bloggers were engrossed in getting to know the history of this art. Listening to the pleasant sound of copper bells.
Today we visited the Nirona village, and it is the artistic capital of Kutch, and you can see 3 rare kinds of arts in one single village, which is very fascinating.
We had been to the Nirona village today and it was an enlightening experience for me. It was really interesting to see that what truly happens and how it can unfold when we support local artists. They really take the country places.
And discovering lacquer wood crafting. The last stop of the trip was the famous town of Bujodi. Soaked in Kutchi vibes, the bloggers got into the typical folk attire of the village. When they came out of Bujodi, their hands were filled with shopping bags.
And अभी we are in Bujodi और हमने यहाँ पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा shopping करी है. You can see my bags full of things because we got super excited. Girls are like always shopping देख के तो हम पागल हो जाते हैं.
Guess they couldn't resist the charm of traditional Gujarati dresses and handmade artifacts. What a perfect end to the trip to Kutch. Bidding farewell to the journey of Kutch, the influencers were back to Ahmedabad, and this time to explore the heritage within. The first stop here was the Swaminarayan Temple, which was then followed by the Heritage Walk. The numerous poles and the age-old Havelis were absolutely breathtaking. The influencers then visited Jama Masjid and were startled to see the sturdy architecture of the oldest mosque in Ahmedabad. The next destination was the Sabarmati Ashram. Bloggers were taken back to the time of freedom struggles and got to know more about the life of Bapu.
Gandhi Ashram, we are right now here, and it's a fabulous place.
The moment you visit their kutir, the ashram, you see the Sabarmati river, you just get connected with the place.
A beautiful spiritual place like the Gandhi Ashram here, where you can also learn more about the history of not just Gujarat but also India. It is truly a stunning trip that has really fed my soul. So, ao padaro Gujarat.
To add extra flavors to their trip, everyone visited the famous Gordhan Thal to taste exquisite Gujarati food. It was now time for a trip to the future at the Science City. Witnessing the technological advancement in Gujarat was a fun-filled experience for the influencers. Giving the influencers a final touch of the heritage of Gujarat, giving rise to a modern trend, our influencers and bloggers succeeded in bringing forth the journey of vivid culture, celebratory lifestyle, delicious food, historical architectures, world-famous arts, and ever so colorful attire of Gujarat in their own unique ways of various social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. This journey of content creation is a promising new way for showcasing the hidden gems of Gujarat in a completely different way. Everything looks wonderful, isn't it? Come and experience it. Khushbu Gujarat ki.